AI dropshipping and affiliate marketing are the two most attractive business models for beginners. Today, we will look at both and tell you which one to go with, what they actually have in common. Before we get into where they differ, it's worth saying why people compare them at all. Neither model requires you to create your own product. You don't manufacture anything. You don't rent warehouse space. You don't ship boxes out of your garage. Both can run from home. Both can grow through content, ads, and SEO. And compared to starting a traditional business, the cost to get in is really low. That's why both models attract beginners. And that's where the comparison starts, because once you get past the similarities, the two models work very differently. Startup costs. So, starting with money, because that's usually the first question. Affiliate marketing can cost almost nothing to start. You sign up for a program, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, share a sale, something in your niche, and you start promoting. You don't need a store or products. If you are willing to grow an audience slowly through free content, your actual out of pocket costs can be close to zero. AI dropshipping does cost more to get started. You need a store and products to sell. That said, the gap is smaller than it used to be. Many platforms now come with ready-made stores and the catalog preloaded, some with free trial, so you are not paying anything upfront. The main expense is advertising, which is where the budget is allocated. So, on pure startup cost, affiliate marketing wins. The catch is that low cost usually means slow results, and we will get to that in a second. Speed to first sale. How long does it take before you make any profit? With affiliate marketing, setup is really quick, but sales are slow. You need traffic unless you are running paid ads, and it takes time. Building a YouTube channel, a blog, or a social following to the point where it's driving consistent purchases, that's months and sometimes much longer. AI dropshipping is a different approach. You set up a store, turn on ads, and you can have orders coming in the same day. It's not guaranteed, but it's possible. With AI dropshipping, you are going straight to buyers instead of waiting for an audience to find you. Control over your business. Now, control. This one matters more than most people actually expect. With affiliate marketing, you don't own the business, you own your content, maybe your email list. But the products, the prices, the commission rates, none of that is yours. For example, Amazon has cut affiliate commissions more than once. Programs shut down, niches get devaluated. If you build your income on someone else's program, one policy change can wipe it out. With AI dropshipping, the store is yours. You set the prices, you choose the products, and if something isn't selling, you swap it out. You are building an asset you control instead of relying on another company's platform and rules. There's a phrase that sums it up pretty well. Affiliate income is income, but a dropshipping store is an asset. That difference matters a lot when you are thinking long term. Profit potential. So, what does the ceiling look like for each model? So, affiliate commissions typically range from 3 to 30% depending on what you are promoting. Physical products, programs like Amazon usually pay less, 10%. Digital products often offer higher commission rates, but the products themselves tend to be less expensive. Either way, you are working with margins that somebody else decides, not you. With AI dropshipping, especially when selling digital products, margins often range from 50 to 70% per sale On a $20 product, you are keeping from $10 to $14. And because it's digital, there's no shipping, no inventory, and nothing physical changes hands. The product is delivered automatically the moment someone makes the purchase. There's another difference worth mentioning. A profitable online store can have real resale value. If you build something that works, you can eventually sell it. Affiliate accounts usually don't offer the same opportunity. So the ceiling isn't just about monthly income, it's also about the value of the business you are building. Scaling. Last point. How do you grow once something's working? With affiliate marketing, scaling means content, more channels, more traffic. A newsletter, a podcast, another social platform. Every new channel adds reach, but it also adds work. The leverage isn't great unless you start paying people to create content for you. With AI dropshipping, the path is more direct. You raise your ad budget, you add more products, you open a second store in a different niche. The infrastructure is already there, you are just expanding what's already running. The verdict. So, AI dropshipping versus affiliate marketing. Where does it land? Affiliate marketing wins on startup cost. If your budget is zero and you have time to build an audience slowly, it's a real option. Everything else, speed, control, margins, risks, structure, scaling, goes to AI dropshipping. And the gap keeps widening as AI tools make store setup and advertising faster and easier than they've ever been. If you are still figuring out where to start, check out our video on setting up your first AI dropshipping store. It covers the practical steps. And subscribe if you want more comparisons like this. I will see you in the next video.